Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to place cuboids in Minecraft Python. So first we're going to go to our server. So we're going to go to a white spot like right here. And then first, to open the connection, we're going to go from mcpi.minecraft import Minecraft. Then mc equals Minecraft create. Now here is the command thing, and it says open connection and starting output thread. So I'll drag back to my other screen, and then I'll start. So first I'm gonna write pause, which is short for position, equals mc dot player dot get pause. And we're gonna make sure we get all those capitals and little details, or else it won't work. Now we're gonna go x equals pause dot x, y equals pause dot y, and z equals pause dot z. Now we're gonna go width equals, let's see, I'm gonna make the small one so it doesn't get in the way and I can destroy it easily. So I can go width equals 4. Height equals 4. Actually, yeah, 4. And length equals 4 actually. Now we're gonna go block type equals 4 is stone, but you can do whatever block you want. You just have to search up any block works fine. You just have to search up the number for it, like block ID. So I have a cheat sheet here, and I'm gonna do, maybe we can make it out of bricks. So I'm gonna do 45. And then I'm gonna go air equals 0, so it's filled in the center. Now mc dot set blocks, don't forget the capital B, x, y, z, x plus width, y plus height, z plus length, and block type. There. Now we're gonna press enter, and you can see it created a 1, 2, 3. A brick box. except that it's 5 by 5 and not 4 by 4. I think that's a program issue. So you can see it's not hollow in the center. Stop it. Ruining my video. Hey. Stop it. You go faster. No. And you can see that it's not hollow inside. This would make a great house. And you also can change the length if you want to make a building. So I'm gonna use some TNT and get rid of this so we can place another block. There. So now that it's gone, we can place another one, a long tower made out of diamond blocks. So let's see. The diamond blocks number ID 57 and the diamond ore is 56. So I think I'm gonna use the diamond ore. 56. So all I have to do is go to the end of this and press enter. Go to the end of this. Wait, press enter twice so it goes to a new line. Go to the end of this. Go to the end of this. Press enter twice. This time I'll set the width to 6. The height is gonna be 20. Actually, I'll do 15. And then the length can be 6. Now copy air. Let's see what happens if I set air to 1. So block type is, it's 56. So placed a long tower made diamond blocks, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's always doing one extra number. And let's see. Is it hollow? Nope. So you do have to set the air to something for it to be hollow. But it's definitely not 1. So thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.